back to another episode of Back Your Basshead Garage. I'm back, by the way. Hi, it's another weekend for me. I'm not working. As you guys can see, I'm kind of in the shop at the moment. Now, the shop has had quite a bit of, well, chaos. It's slowly getting cleaner out. You know, as you guys can see, there's no more snow on the ground at all. It's all gone. That's all nice. They're probably thinking, wait a minute, are those Damien shoes? Those are Damien shoes. Damien, what are we doing today? What are we doing today?
We're going to be changing the oil.
On what?
What does it look like?
Changing the oil a little bit today, everybody. Our 1973 F250 highboy. We have a new oil pan gasket, so we're actually going to drop the complete pan just to kind of inspect the pan, make sure there's no unneeded wear and tear on it, basically. We have a new oil filter as well. You bought a new oil filter, right?
Yep.
A new oil filter as well, because ours is crunked. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then if everything goes well, we should hear it cranking today, hopefully, right?
Maybe.
Alrighty, so yeah, Damien, what exactly are you doing there, sir?
Taking off the oil drain plug.
You want the camera so you can see?
No, I'm good.
Alrighty, take it off, sir.
If I can.
Listen to that sound of the dink of the new headers. As you guys know, in last video we put Damien put the headers on, not we, Damien did. I was working, unfortunately, so yeah. Is that water?
It's water.
Okay, drain it. It's because water got in the motor. That's why we're doing an oil change before we crank. You're going to get wet and dirty.
I already know that.
That is water. You guys can see that dripping. That's why we're dropping the pan. Ah, damn it.
That is water mixed with oil only.
That is because water kept getting inside the motor. I knew that was gonna happen. You do it by hand yet?
Yep.
Okay. Get ready, it's gonna slosh. Might want to move the bucket back a little bit. Yeah.
I can't see where the oil's coming in.
Let's see if I can get a better angle on it with the camera, but I can't.
There we go.
Okay, go.
That's all water.
That's all water. There's the oil.
There's the oil.
A little bit of water in the pan. Let that drain out. So we're gonna let that drain, guys. So yeah, there was water in the pan. My hypothetical thought was, yes, there would be, unfortunately. Ain't really not much we could do about it, but yeah.
Okay, we are back after buying a new tool for the oil filter.
It's tight.
It's really tight.
I think a high school prom queen virgin is loosening this. I gotta literally go like a tenth of a turn at a time. It is coming off though. Ever so slowly. So just you guys wondering why I'm using the pipe, listen to me using my hand. Yeah, listen to me using my hand. So we grab a top filter as close as possible to prevent crushes. See, we already crushed a lot of it. We also tried the screwdriver method. That didn't work. Holy
I could give it a shot. No, man? Okay.
piece of expletives. Anyway, but the pipe works fine.
So stupid how it's this tight.
As I'm actually tightening it and just myself over. It's like counterclockwise. This is counterclockwise.
Did they say from when looking from above it or underneath of it?
Doesn't matter. Still counterclockwise. Clocks only turn one way. That was a tool. Don't tell Damien. No, nope, tool's broken. Yeah, nope. Broke a tool. Piece of shit. Tool broke. Gonna go buy a better tool.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today, this is technically day 2. We are going to be finishing the oil change, you could say, because last time, I don't know if we showed any of this, but we tried getting it off with a screwdriver. Did not work. As you can see, it's still on there. That's what we tried doing. That we tried taking this off to get better leverage at. We bought one of the tools, like the metal ones, to just go around, and we got it turning, but it's stuck. So bought a new one of these adapters. So let's go put that on. But first, let's take this one off. Okay guys, we're back after finagling around a little bit. Where's the piece? Here it is. I couldn't find this piece at all. Like nobody had a bolt that had a hole in it. Like this one over here. Okay guys, basically what I was saying before the camera died, I was running all around and I couldn't find a bolt that had a hole in the middle, and I found the right thread pitch, but I couldn't find the actual bolt that has a hole in the middle for this. So this is what was on it. I'm going to be using that for right now. Yes, it is a little high up, but hopefully it works. So let's get putting oil in this thing. I'm gonna pull the drain plug again just in case if there was any other. No, actually, scratch that. I forgot about it. We're gonna be pulling the oil pan, checking it out and see what kind of stuff's in there. Hopefully nothing too bad. So let's get doing that. Oh, what the f now? Okay guys, I actually got it out. Yeah, as you can see, look what I had to do just to get it out. These headers are annoying as absolute, and this whole like system thing, this is stupid. Because here is the oil. And yeah, it's pretty gooey. You see down there, it's like pretty damn gooey. I guess I'm gonna figure a way to clean this out, and I'll be right back with you guys. I got the pan back in, guys. I didn't want to record me putting it back in just because I thought it was going to start snowing. So I got the pan back in. I want to tighten everything back up quickly, put it back down, and put the card back on and all that plastic stuff back on. Then I'll fill it up, and then that should be it for this video. So let's do that. Hey guys, welcome back. This is day 3 now. It's already starting to try to snow. Awesome. Got like some little tiny snowflakes coming in. So right now we're gonna be putting in the oil, everything. So first gonna top this up. Then we're gonna put it in. So let's just start doing this. Here comes the test, guys. Does anything leak? Hopefully not. Yes, I know I still need to hook up that header, so we're good there. And one of these. This stuff is really thick. that stuff was really thick. Oh my god. There we go. Oil change officially done. Okay, as I just saw, the oil change is officially done on Little Blue. Theoretically, if we had the starter hooked up, I had to take off the driver's side header because the oil pan wouldn't come off without it. So, did that. Everything looks good, except for my gloves. All good down there. Nice black one, which was blue though. Got put the header back on, and carbs back on. You know, everything's good except for all that water and the one bolt right there. Other than that, I need to get this one bolt, hook up some sort of ignition and fuel thing, and we honestly should be ready to fire this thing off. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. We're actually really close to starting Little Blue up for the very first time. And then after that we can start putting the front end back on, and then I don't know, let me know what you guys think, if we should leave the front end till the very last and put the front axle in. If we do that, then that means we're gonna have to be waiting for more parts, because I gotta order parts. I gotta order new calipers for it. I gotta order some you know, just some other knickknacks and brakes and stuff. I gotta make my own new brake lines. Possibly put a different master on it, because I'm going to convert the rear drums to discs. It's going to be expensive, but it's going to be worth it. So that's the little update. So guys, hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. I have no idea what it's going to be about, but it's going to be interesting. So don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Give it a try.